Nice. That'd be exhausting. This one's like doing between my legs.
Right, so these are our three who we do experiences with. Yeah, you can basically, we just say sit, so there's space there, there's some logs there, a log there.
Just sit there.
Everybody's really comfortable. They're like, oh, I know what's coming.
Is there anything else that these get? Maybe some equipment?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
No, that's all.
Yeah, you can go and sit. Alright, keep your leg, keep your hands down because they will like that and then climb on it. And then they're just going to fall because they're silly. So we have in total 9 meerkats. These three, so we've got an alpha, male and female in the other 6. These are actually their kids, but we separated them because the alpha was she wasn't very nice to people. Like, she's a lovely meerkat, but you know. So, they've got really long claws. I know, it's great. So that is because they do a lot of burrow making. So you've got like this fake tree to like mimic their.
I think it's run out of worms.
Oh no!
Some worms.
Worms.
Give me worms. Look at you.
Get me in as well.
So do you guys know much about meerkats?
I've been a lover for years, and I've got David Attenborough's.
Oh, did you get?
I've got no more.
It's all gone there.
So I'm going to give them a break from actually eating, but they will still be around.
Close, mate. Is this one that goes on the shoulder?
Yeah.
Slip your neck coat.
All forage for food in the day, and one will stand guard just watching for predators. And so they get to a high place and they just look out. And I'm surprised he's not. He should be making a little chirping sound. Is he? Yeah. And he's just communicating. Everything's good. Everyone can carry on. He's like, I'm watching
You know
out.
what? Cats. He's a cat lover. And
They are very.
they are so cute. It's unreal.
My mate. Hey.
Oh, I love all these little tunnels they have to their box and
Yeah.
stuff.
It's just a try.
Like Tuesday.
Oh, do we take the camera off?
Hey. Is anything in there for you?
One on your shoulder. Man that waits with your shadow in the sun.
That's the experience.
Look at it.
Unless the sun. I'm sunbathing today.
Quite chunky little animals, isn't
When
it?
you have the baby, you've got to bring the baby up.
Oh, that's well cute. Have you got more feed? Can I do more feed? You can do the camera. I want to do more feed.
Oh, that's it.
Grubs up.
Shit, you have to sit down. I did not name them. And I always don't remember who's who, but I do when I come in. I know that the female, this one, she always like just trying to clean up, and she's there like get away. But yeah, no, she's friendly with other people. And then the little male who's always in the sanctuary.
Excuse me, sir.
They're so light, but they look
Oh, bit of the sun.
Yeah.
Bit of sun in this even where you are.
This one probably looks chunky in the corner. Come and have a look.
Because he's like sitting down, and it's like when we sit, we go with the back.
Right there. Found it.
No, it's not what I Sorry.
That one, I'm a bit confused now. I don't want to give you one you don't want.
Vegan.
Go round hill. This it does something called quartering. Look at the primary feathers. When she comes past, she should be completely quiet. But the primary feathers are the big long feathers that run down the leading edge of the wing. So somebody shouted out butthead, yeah? You like your buttheads? This is butthead. This is, they're not butthead birds. They ain't parrots, yeah? So what they like to do, this is quite a rare bird, which taught us. Hey, come on. Go back that way, alright? Come on. What's that? What's this here? Over here. Don't go down there. What we've done, what Flick and Sophie have done as well, before we brought her out, which I've got to do now occasionally, you get an owl pellet, for instance, you put it in hot water, you dissolve all the sort of fluff and the fur off of it. So you're not going to see a motive curry. So by monitoring their weight, so she can fly, so by monitoring their weight, you know. So this is Dom, look at the wings. You can tell you're looking at a peregrine or a falcon because of those long thin wings. What he wants to do is dive down and try and touch this floor. If he touches it in any way, he wins the game. What I need to do is keep it away from him. It's coming right above you guys now. So you can see the speed. Prey. It's the impact. So imagine you're in a stoop as a falcon. You hit a pigeon, for instance, pretty much going to stun it or kill it straight away. If you do stun it, and it's a big bird, you can hopefully it's going to come this way. So Sophie's going to chuck that food nice and high. There we go. Can you see how quickly he took it from his talons into his beak? Now he's going to go and sit and eat that.